Victorians will soon be allowed to order a beer at a pub without ordering a meal as the state continues to ease restrictions. Joining me now from Melbourne is Patrick Murrell. Pat, the changes come into effect from next Monday.
Sam, these changes come into effect from the 22nd of June, so next Monday, and the decision to implement them was taken after Friday's National Cabinet meeting. They are in addition to the easing of restrictions that has already been previously announced. So from the 22nd of June, Victorians will be allowed to order alcohol at a venue without also ordering a meal. They will, however, still have to be seated, so no service at the bar. As well, people will be allowed to go to bars and clubs, which will now open their doors, joining cafes, restaurants and pubs in opening up to 50 diners at a time per space. TAB and other betting venues as well as casinos will join them from the 20th of July. At this stage in Victoria, there's been no plans to remove the cap on people entirely, as has been done in some other states, or reduce the 4 square metre rule, as has been done in Western Australia, for example. Community sports will also begin a staggered resumption from next week. Juniors will be the first to resume training and matches for contact sports from the 22nd of June. Over 18s will begin their training from the 13th of July and then matches from the 20th of July. The Premier says all of this is possible because of the massive testing here in Victoria and the reduced number of community transmissions.
A day with 0 cases is good, but not every day has to be 0 cases in order for us to continue slowly, cautiously, gradually opening up. We are going to see more cases. We are going to see outbreaks. That's what a suppression strategy is all about.
Now, to go hand in hand with this round of easing restrictions, the government is launching another testing blitz. This time, instead of volume, it'll be targeting specific communities, be that cultural communities or regional areas that have been missed or that have shown lower number of tests in previous rounds. The first areas to be tested will be Dandenong as well as Kyabram and Mildura in the northwest.
Making sure that we can reach those hard-to-reach communities and those hard-to-reach individuals in our state.
Now, there have been 9 new cases of coronavirus detected in Victoria over the past 24 hours. One of those is an eastern suburbs GP, so contact tracing is beginning for patients of that doctor who may have been at the Lilydale Medical Clinic, the Cedar Medical Clinic in Coburg or the Croydon Family Practice.